out track the score, or you have to manually do that?
I manually do it.
Okay. Oh, I'll stay put.
My left shoulder doesn't work, so it just looks like my left shoulder doesn't really work. So it just looks like I'm Zeke Highland.
Come on, girls.
It ain't by much. I have a setting goofy on here. Something looks orange.
It does look orange.
I wonder if it's the ports bouncing it off.
Cancel that account and sign up again.
I didn't look at the one yesterday, so. Oh, Katie's over watching Josie.
It's not here.
She's over watching Josie. Maybe it's over time. She'll probably be back.
Come on, Liv.
Let's go, Pay! You ready?
I just saw your message.
They didn't send for like 2-3 minutes.
She sent me like 40 minutes ago. I was on phone. I just
It didn't
now
send.
saw it. And I said, we're playing on it. It looked good from here, but I have no idea. They had your gloves. It looked good, but I have no idea. Oh, good hit. Deep setting. It lives really down, man. It's up inside.
That could have been bad. Let's go, Mel.
Nah. You got 2 ankles. You don't need them both. Same song, Kevin. Same song.
ups and over the camera. Go, Ellie.
I don't know the answer. Kind of a woofer. I don't know. Is that where we are?
Yes. We used to use it at the front door. I would assume a solicitor. Amazon.
Oh, not over. Oh! Save the camera.
Tipped it up and over the camera.
Day one, Kevin, day one, like all our cameras kept getting hit.
Mine got destroyed at one point. I thought the base was busted after it got hit. It hit it and spun it. It hit it so hard it spun. I thought the base broke. I was like, well, I don't have any more. That was gonna be real funny when CBS or something fix it. Luckily, there's one around the corner.
Let's go, Reggie.
Nice. We need to play this way later too.
We're gonna have to play this one later. If we play it all like we did first thing, we'll get mad. Try to take so much off that.
Okay.
I had to put my hat backwards, so it's not as easy to get
Right.
drop. I think that might hit the line. So that'll be,
It would have. I think. Nice.
good block, Ellie. Good block, Liv.
Go, Pay. It's all right. Back up.
Close, Ellie.
Backflip, weird. They stand off the foot ready for that. Or outside. She should have hit that, Shake it off. Let's go, let's go. Nice.
16 down. Hey, Kevin.
Go, Mel.
But that means we're done by 10.
Could be a meat problem, too. Yep.
I'm 2 guys in a truck tomorrow. It's moving day.
With a beer in your hand, right?
Oh, I'm a man. I'm a manager. I don't actually lift anything.
Who are the 2 guys, Axel and Leo?
Jacob, I'm my
Oh, yeah.
nephew.
My nephew's coming.
Oh, that's right. What if we lose? 9:30, you think?
9:30 or 8:30. It's one of the two. But
Does it not matter what happens in the next game? It's 7:30, 8:30, 9:30.
this game is on. If we win, we're 1-2 against the other team. The other team hasn't lost all week. If that team's if we beat the other team, we're at. No matter what, we would start second. If we beat them and lose Chicago, second. We start at 7:30.
If we beat them and lose again, we're first. We start at 7:30.
Whereas if you land third in the pool, you start at 9:30. If you land fourth in the pool, you start at 8:30. But third and fourth is a division lower in the pool play. Or tournament play. So you're not one division lower.
That's the thing too. Let's get 1-2, get a higher pool, get deep. You want to play 3 games.
There is only 3 for sure.
What?
It's only 3 for sure. If you win them, you play 3 games total. Okay, and roll to the team who you get.
Who are their coaches in half?
Typical. But I mean, that could be like 9:30 beer roll across the street.
That's what Steve
There we go. Yeah.
we're the first one. We're here for 3 games.
Chicago's team is Chicago dude's dead.
It's kind of my thought. Yeah, if you go to, you gotta sit for the whole thing. I'm sorry, but that pink jersey is completely different pink from the fucking pink situation. Just
Somebody's being stupid of even
considering who's the
mentioning.
other team.
You think the other team mentioned it?
It's that the one repping it. They're the one what's the point? Yeah. They were the ones repping it. I'm pretty sure they were the ones repping it. Had it been them, I don't know that it was the rep that said it.
It wasn't a ref, it was an AAU person that came over.
Well, I wonder if somebody coached it to them.
Yeah.
Because I wonder if after the first set when the players said something to the coach, I can't tell who's who.
Why does it matter? The players, it shouldn't matter.
Yeah, it's nice.
Lindsay go home? Lindsay go to the hotel?
Maybe. I was looking for a little bit ago. I didn't see her.
He was here for the first
You
game.
saw the first one, yeah. She was videoing Ellie.
When did Lindsay leave?
I did not see her. She had one of the boys here earlier.
It's Silas.
Lindsay.
Or she took him back.
Stay home. They did. She goes home tomorrow morning at 6.
Oh, does she?
She's on a 6:30 flight on Savior.
So she's taking that plane home.
What?
She's taking that plane home, huh?
That's Tim's flight Monday morning.
What?
Yeah, he's not thrilled.
At 6:30 flight Monday morning. Which means you'll probably get out about noon. The Legion. It's like...
Those are the ultimate dashes. Why are you guys doing that?
Go, Aubrey. Ooh, there it went.
Yes!
Get over it. There you go.
Huh? There you go. Let's go, Pay.
Let's go, babe! Woo! They said we had a cheer.
I think they
You
need to
jinxed
cheer.
it.
They need to cheer. Yeah, that was completely. She spun it off her hand again.
Oh, he got it back. Oh, they moved it. How'd that not come over the post? Okay, on the one side of the post.
I don't know. It's right in front of her face, too.
That's the ref that doesn't pay attention.
Let's go, girls!
Tell him he's not there to watch.
That's why they were asking the girls were asking.
Purple won their first game.
Nice. No, we couldn't watch because ours is playing. Neva.
That's a good point. Well, there you go. That changes everything. That's wrong. Nope. That's
That was a nasty serve she had coming over. The thing might be part of it. Out of St. Pete. So Saturday we'll go from here to either her sister's house or stay the night there. St. Pete in the morning. And then we'll just get a hotel close to the airport.
Kevin, you gotta remind Telly we do better when you're here, not her.
So you guys will be home at 9:30 tomorrow?
We're gonna get a
There you go, Reagan.
text if that happens.
Yeah.
He's gonna get a text if that go, Neva. Let's go, Pay. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Keep moving up. Keep moving up.
I'm
warming up.
I'm swerving around over here and I'm stepping around. It's a little
slowly
movement, keep the blood flowing. I feel like we're in an ice rink.
I know. I do feel like we are.
Yeah.
Jesse's
Yeah.
I'm a cutoff man. It's like baseball, the shortstop. Tallest, lankiest,
Mel.
most uncoordinated shortstop.
That was a lift if I've ever seen one. Lord.
Okay. I never played baseball, but if I had, I would have been for certain stuck at first base. Get up, get up. There you go. Yeah, boy. Taller than that.
Man, she's pissed too.
The coach?
Coach is pissed.
Oh, she's been mad the whole time.
She walked right over to him. Are you kidding me? Come out.
Which ref called it?
He did.
He did.
After we left, they were effing me in the first game.
So that guy was talking to me. He stayed
Oh,
in
that's
a
good.
hotel, a resort.
Yeah.
I met him at the bar the other day. They're playing on next court, but they played Chicago Elite last night. Beat him in 3 sets.
Wow.
But he was complaining because their center brings it all the way down every time.
So what we were
I said,
talking
people
about.
watching that.
Exactly what we were talking
He
about.
said it got called like 3 times in their match.
It's getting the cold once here.
That's what I said. Because 2 games haven't been called yet.
Let's go, Ellie. Maybe it'll get called on the third one.
This is the chick that told me.
Somebody went. One of the epic people went. Let me get that on footage because I missed it.
What happened?
I don't know.
Football. She did? She's very close. Yeah. Nice spot. All right. Remember to take a half a step next time. Buckeye?
Ellie's a better cross as well.
Yes. Hers not outright.
No, she hit it.
When she does, snap.
But she tends to put him in pretty good spots.
Yeah. Well,
Go Harper.
She does well. When she pushes it, it's hard to push it.
And she's got doing it a lot more too with that setting there. Because Ellie's for the most part keeping it, putting it in good spots. And
Yeah.
you get some points, and we don't score every time.
Gotta talk, girls. Let's go.
Megan.
Come on, Neva. Let's get it back right here.
There you go. Better, Reggie.
There we go.
There.
Drops nicely. Should be Aubrey serving. Go up.
Just two. Let's go. Good one.
Nice. Double, man. I didn't see the other girl get out of the way.
That was really very close. That was
I
too
just didn't
close
see
to
the other.
gamble.
The libero picked it up and I didn't see her move. I thought she hit it twice.